Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how we can create an inward against a service order. Let's go to the transactions module. You can search the transaction by company name or document number. Suppose I have to create an inward against this particular service order. I'll click on the transaction. The transaction timeline is opened. As you can see, the challan has been created against the service order. This means that the item has already been dispatched for service. Now, we have to invert the item after the service is completed. If you scroll down, you get an option to generate invert against delivery challan. Click on Generate Invert. Here, you can alter the delivery location. You can add the delivery date on which you have received the item. You can select the store where you want the item to be. If your item is same as that you had dispatched for service, you can let it be like that, and you can alter the quantity if required. Or else you can add the item and enter the finished good here. In my example, my raw material was BOPP cloth, which had gone for stitching service, and when it came into my store, it has become bag. I will delete the first one. I'll add the quantity of bags I have received. I can add the comment too. I can add any attachment if required, and will click on Save and Send. The invert document has been generated. I can view the same on the transaction timeline. Click on View Transaction. As you can see, invert has been added in the transaction timeline. If you scroll down, you get an option to generate GRNQIR2. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.